What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So yes, guys, I have here with me a power bank, and this is a solar wireless power bank. I'm going to do an unboxing and review of it right now. Now this power bank is pretty impressive, and a quick disclaimer, this video was sponsored, so I did get this power bank to actually use and review. So I've been using it for the past few weeks now, so I've been testing it to see if exactly how this operates and how it basically works and the features and things like that. So I did pull the box already, so I'm going to pull it again to show you guys the first impression of how this basically operates and how this basically works. So as you can see on the part right here, solar wireless power bank, built-in solar panel for emergency power, and that's the power bank outside. That's how it look inside, and it's 260 lumen, 165 feet beam, and 18-hour runtime. So this is pretty much a lot of runtime that you can get. Ultra bright flashlight. As you can see right there, you can charge all of these devices and more. So on this side, it have a 819 watt solar wireless power bank. So on the other side right here, it is great for traveling, camping, hiking, fishing, and beaches. So this is pretty much great that you can carry on the camp and in like that, so you won't run out of power while using this power bank right here. So this is the first impression of right here. So as you can see, its resistance to water, which is IP55, runtime of 18 hours. It supports 2 USB output, wireless charging, magic linward, rechargeable via type C or solar charge or micro USB. Yes, water resistant to IP55, so you basically look water splash inside of it or splash on it, it won't cause any damage. And LED bright with 3 mode, steady, SOS, and strobe. So I'm going to unbox it right now to let you guys see what's inside. So guys, this is basically user manual. To the side. So guys, this is the power bank right here. As you can see, the first impression come out. So we got a charging cable right here, which is a micro, and right here we have a power bank. As you guys can hear, I have a lot of disturbance right here with those bugs in the bushes who won't let me record. So as soon as these bugs carry on and finish their nice, I will start back recording. Yes guys, so let's look at the design of this power bank right here. This power bank design most like a futuristic look. I love how this basically design. I love how it feel. You feel a bit of weight, guys. And let's look at right here on this side. So you have some grid right here, texture, nice feelings. This base from plastic. As you guys can see right here, those are solar charging at 5.5 volt, which is 290 million amp, input type C, which is also 5 volt, and it also output at 5 volt. The capacity of this right here is 25,000 million amp of this right here. Output wireless at 5 volt, input at micro at 5 volt, output USB type A at 5 volt also. So these are it right here. So as you guys can see on the side, we have different LED light blinking right there to represent the percentage of this power bank right here. So as you can see, we have the little sun icon. That means it is when it is being charged by the solar charge, and right now it is showing a green light, meaning that the sun is basically charging right now. As you guys can see it blinking. And as I mentioned earlier, that part right there represent the percentage bar, which is 25, 50, 75, and 100. So on the back right here, you can see guys, this basically solar panel which charge up this device right here. As you guys can see, this is solar panel, so it's pretty large solar panel that can attract a lot of sunlight to charge this device right here. And right here is where you have the USB connection, so I'm going to pull it out to let you guys see basically inside. So as you guys can see right here, we have 2 output of USB charging that they can charge a device. So this basically can charge up to 2 devices at once with those USB port. Also we have 2 input device, which is the USB type C and the micro USB, which can charge this device right here. So move on to the other side. Over here this is where you can see the power button up here. So once you press this power button right here, this should be on, and it can control this flashlight right here. Now this flashlight here can shine up to 165 feet, as I mentioned earlier. So to turn on the flashlight, all we have to do is press the power button and hold on it, and the flashlight comes on right there. And it's pretty bright. It's there right now, as you guys can see some glares of it right there shining on the ground. So this is very bright flashlight. So when hold on it again, you can change from different mood. So let me turn on the back by holding, and when I press it one time, you guys see that's a SOS mode, as you can see right there, basically blinking. Press it again and that's flashing. So I'm not sure if this throw mode or SOS mode, but you guys get the idea that this can basically show different features or different mode. So press it one time and it is off. Now this is the wireless charging, so you can place any device on here which have wireless support to charge your device. So I can basically put my phone on it right now, but I'm using it to record, to charge anything or any device that basically support wireless. So guys, this is basically a great power bank that you can carry around on your traveling adventures. So this is a pretty neat one that you can use. So I just want to say thanks to Stoon again for sponsoring this video by sending me this power bank to actually review, and it's basically a great product. And if you guys want to check out these power bank, I put a link in the description that you guys can see. So thanks again for watching, guys, and if this video was helpful, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with a friend. And as always, I see you guys in my next video. As always, peace out.